Welcome to my fifth video on 9jaCoder, and today I'm going to demonstrate how we can use 9jaCoder to build a simple GUI application that will help a canteen or mama put seller to keep track of our sales. Those of us who have traveled to Lagos and we have cost to eat at a buka or canteen or mama put, we know what mama put is all about. And the amala, the gbegiri is like the traditional way that we are familiar with it. And whether with our suit, with our agbada, everything, we always enjoy a meal at mama put. So today we are going to just design something small to help her. And disclosure, my mom actually operated a mama put also. So she's late now. God bless her soul. And I did not have the opportunity to create something like this for her, but she managed her business pretty well. And I think in memory of her and all those hardworking mama put operators everywhere in Nigeria. So I'll do this just to show how it can be done skeletal way, and we'll build on it later. But now just something skeletal. And also I would like to let you know that 9jaCoder is built using Python 100%. So the menu system and is about everything about 9jaCoder, Python 100%. Python and PyQt5. That is the Python extension for Qt5. Qt5 is used to develop GUI for Windows, Linux, and even for some mobile devices. So Qt5 is used extensively, and there's a Python extension for it, which I'm using, which I use to design what you are seeing now. So, and let's just go ahead and write the mama put program. Open our application folder and then start a new tab. So we are using a form, 9ja form app. We're generating an application that accepts form. Let's create the comma separated value form, because the files will be stored as comma separated values. Let's call it mama put sales. Mama put sales, because there's apostrophe there. We need to change this to apostrophe to okay, good, to double quote. And then we are going to add some fields. Now the beauty of 9jaCoder is that it automatically pre-filled with some custom parameters which you can remove, default parameters rather. So let's change this to date. Let's change this to products, and then we have the unit price. Of course, here we have the quantity, and here we have the total. So let's nuke this. Boom. So we have added the feed. Some feeds are going to accept only numbers, number only fields. Unit price must only accept numbers. Quantity must only accept numbers, and of course total must accept numbers only. Good. And then we have calendar only. Date should accept calendar input. Okay, great. What again? Okay, product. We want product to drop down. We want to have a list of products so that you don't need to be typing the product's name often. Products. And then what again? We have, okay, the product should have some pre-filled values. Product drop down data. Okay, it's comma separated. We have amala and ewedu soup. We have comma separated, like I said. We have eba and okra soup. We have rice and beans. Let's stop there for the time being. So, and what more? Yeah. We want compute fields. What fields? What fields are we going to compute? Because we want the total to be automatic. So we want to compute I'm sorry, I was looking at something outside the screen zone. I'm recording this in my bedroom office. So we want quantity to be, yeah. Then we want total also. Good. And then they compute the fields, compute only. Those are the fields and the calculations that we want. So we want unit price times quantity. It has prefilled it. Now the field that you want to compute, you have to enclose them in less than, greater than signs, and then this asterisk is multiplication. So unit price times quantity. This double sign here means save it into total. So we have the almost everything ready now. Oh yeah, and then we want read only. We don't want total to be tampered with, manually entered. No, we don't want that. It should be automatic. Okay, good. So let's save this. Ctrl S. Mama put dot 9ja save. So let's run our app. Good. Date. You see, that is the effect of the calendar only. So today's date, eba and okra soup. Unit price is 1.5 for a plate, and we sold 10 plates. So save. Then amala and ewedu, unit price is 1,800. We sold 20 plates. That date cannot be empty. Yeah, I did not put anything there, you see. So let's add that. Record save. So rice and beans today, unit price is 2,000. We sold 10 plates. Good. So we can print this, we can copy it, we can print, we can export. Let's export it. Let's call it tests. Okay, let's call it mama put dot pdf. Save. So let's open it. And 9jaCoder. Okay, that's it. Ow, the zoom is too much. Good. So That is the we saw the for a ban okra soup 1,005 unit price. We saw templates. Amala newedu 1,008 20 plates. Rice and beans at 2,000 naira per plate. We sold 10 of that. Interesting. So that is it. That is how easy it is to use 9jaCoder to generate a PYQT form. Now this is the data that was saved, and the data can actually be opened in Libra Writer. Libra car. So let's just say okay. It's comma separated value files file. Okay, that's it. So, and it's so easy. It's very easy. We are not saving. Don't save. We want the application to be the one that will be doing the saving. So just how many lines? 11 lines of code, and we have a program ready for Mama Put. Interesting. So that's how easy it is to use 9jaCoder. You can do complex tasks. You can execute complex tasks with just a few lines of code. And subsequently, I'm going to show you how to compile this software so that you can execute it on another system. Yeah, without having 9jaCoder on that system. We still have a lot of things to do, and that is why we still need your support. I need your support. And you see, for the past let's see, 4 months, no light. So I'm using partly my inverter, mostly I'm buying gas. And we need a website because we need to upload these codes. We need to upload the beta version of 9jaCoder so that we can download and start testing before October. We need feedback. So for this to happen, we need your support. It's not a one-man riot squad. We need to come together, Wazobia, and make this happen. So I'll be needing your support, and I hope that you'll be there for us. And interestingly, I had a demonstration for some people from Castina, and there was this argument. Uma, I hope you are hearing this. And there was this argument about the word print in Hausa. I think my pronunciation was wrong. It was a Zoom meeting. So my audience said that they don't know the word booger. Now I said that again, booger, right? Let's see.
Booger.
Booger. Oh, I'm correct. That they've not had that word, booger. And I was like, what? These are Yoruba speakers, and they don't. I mean, Hausa speakers, and they don't know booger. So I was amazed. I thought that maybe Google Translate was wrong. But then you will need to understand the history of printing press. In those days, the characters were set and then pressed on paper. So it's like maybe when in Yoruba it is te. Te means to press. So booger, as you can see, it means also to beat, like a typewriter beating a character on paper. So they need to understand that there's no word-to-word translation for print. There's no word-to-word translation for most of these things, but it has to do with the meaning, the underlying meaning. So I've explained that, but I couldn't actually explain very well on that the night of the demonstration because I was a little bit under pressure. Not the pressure of the demonstration, of course. There are some events. There are some companies in Nigeria that want to take advantage of Nigerians at times, and they stress someone's life with their insultive words. But that will be handled. But enough of that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Looking forward to your support, and please subscribe, like, share. Have a wonderful day. Bye.